Hyundai has just revealed the new 2025 IONIQ 5N at the 2023 LA. The all-electric IONIQ 5 is one impressive machine. After all, it was our 2022 EV of the year, but that isn't keeping Hyundai from cooking up a high-voltage N model for those who want maniacal performance. Like other gas-fired models from the company's N Performance brand, the IONIQ 5N will deliver its thrills at a high-value price point. The IONIQ 5N's dual electric motors put out 601 horsepower normally, but thanks to the N Grin Boost feature, they get an adrenaline injection that temporarily bumps power output to 641 ponies. Like other N models, the muscled-up IONIQ flaunts athletic hardware compared to its more pedestrian counterparts, including the large rear diffuser, larger wheels, stickier tires, big brakes, wider fenders, and a racier nosepiece. Our preliminary drive in a pre-production prototype left us excited to experience the finished product. The IONIQ 5N comes with N-specific brakes with 15.8-inch front rotors and 14.2-inch rear rotors. Hyundai claims it is the company's most powerful braking system to date. Hyundai claims that the IONIQ 5N boasts the higher resistance to heat when driving on the track, meaning the electric motors are less prone to power loss. The exterior adds many design-enhancing elements, such as contrasting black trim and a wing-type rear spoiler. The IONIQ 5N is 0.8-inch lower, 2 inches wider, and 3.2 inches longer than the standard IONIQ 5. The IONIQ 5N is offered in a single trim, but Hyundai hasn't released information on pricing or optional features. We anticipate a $63,000 starting price, which would align with Kia's pricing for the EV6 GT model. We'll update this section as more information becomes available. Regardless of what variant you order, the IONIQ 5 features twin 12.3-inch displays, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an infotainment touchscreen. Standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto require a wired connection for now, but a future over-the-air update could add wireless capability. The SEL and limited trims have a wireless charging pad, though, and all variants include front and rear USB-A charge ports, no USB-C. 6-speaker audio is standard, but IONIQ 5 limited buyers can enjoy an 8-speaker Bose system.